Welcome back, my friends. So I am pouring on another round wood panels. These are just so good to play with because compared to a canvas, you don't have to worry about the canvas sagging or paint pulling up in the middle or anything. This is nice and flat and rigid, so pretty cool. I've already done a base of white, so it's approximately 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol and water to consistency. And this time I've done the edges roughly. Then I'm going to use some of my leftover paint. I have a bit of black still here, so I'm going to use a little bit of that and see. I'm going to do 2 drops this time, see what happens. Could backfire, but yeah, why not try an experiment? If we don't experiment, then we'll never know, right? So looks like a panda right now. Panda painting, friends? Anybody? That's so funny. Okay, so and then my paints are so it was 1 part paint, 1 part pouring medium, and the pouring medium was 60% Floetrol and 40% Liquitex gloss medium and varnish, which is this guy here. So, let's see what happens with those 2 eyes. Let's make them look like something else than eyes. It's a bit weird. I'm going to put my leftover paint right in there. Most of it anyway. Maybe a tad more pink just to make sure that I have some pink in there. And then a bit more white all the way around. And in the middle, why not? And then let's blow this. Didn't want to overdo it. I'd rather fix those little areas with my straw than keep going with the hairdryer because, you know, it's so easy to mess it up. Well, this is looking quite pretty. I'm really liking what I'm seeing here, so let me just keep going with the straw. Heaps of paint on here. Let's just tilt that a little bit, see what happens. Just very gently. Okay, you may want to fast forward this part because that could be super boring for you guys. I'm really going super slowly here. Just tip some of the paint off. And then back the other side. It's all about experimenting. See what we can come up with. Each painting is just so different. I don't want to go too far because I think it's going to be too stretched out actually on this side. I don't want to ruin the whole effect. So I am going to stop here. Clean my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, let's torch it. Still have those little white bubbles popping up, so I'm not going to go too crazy, not too close. around the top. It's cool because it's helping me feather out the edges and makes it look pretty cool. But everywhere else, I'm not going to go too crazy and too close to the paint. Let's blow some of this paint away. Basically make the painting work for you, you know. Just if you don't like a section, then change it until you're happy with it. Well, that's what I do anyway. Even sections I actually like, I do enjoy modifying. I do love how we've got this sort of triangle forming here with the white coming down and the white area with tiny cells in the center. It's pretty cool. So I don't want to do too much more. What else to change? Not much at all. Which is a good thing. Maybe just this section here, it's got a bit of white on the side. Okay. I'm really liking this painting. She says before changing it again. Just subtle changes. It's always something you can improve upon, right? Okay, I'm thinking, do I want to bring back some more white around this side? Maybe just a little bit. Just so it balances out with this edge here. Okay, I'm not going to do much more to it because I love it as it is. So I am going to give you a little close-up. I'll fix my edges off camera, but they're looking pretty good so far. So I'll show you closer now. Here you go, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, let's start from the bottom. Beautiful white lacing. And some beautiful black lacing on the right, and just yellow as well throughout. That's cool. I love how the white, or the colors are feathering into the white here. The blacks, the yellows, the purples, the pink. Super pretty. Edge is looking pretty cool as well so far. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video by giving me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe as well so you don't miss out any new video. Or if you do, just go to mimibondi.com, and on the blog I've got all my videos there so you can see it all in one place. That includes all my pouring videos, mixed media, and lots of other things. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.